video. It is me, Essie. If you are new here, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girlfriend, hey. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this look. I'm not even sure when this video is going to go up. I did this look over the weekend when I went out with my girlfriend, and I did not get any pictures. I don't know if that ever happens to you, but it definitely happened to me that night. I don't know if I was just trying to be in the moment. Sometimes that happens. Here is the look. If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and continue to watch. Now, this style of video is going to be a little different. We're going to do a little hair in the beginning, a little makeup at the end. It's not going to be too much chit chat like I usually do. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, make sure you bang that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Let's get into the video.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We go each away, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
Okay, I lied. I have something to say though. I don't know if you guys noticed, but if you go back, I had a really big scar at the top of my forehead, which came from me wearing a really tight wig. And why I didn't just like take the wig off or loosen the strap in it, I don't know. You know, I just had that concept of beauty is pain, I'll be fine. But once it started to break the skin, I knew it was a wrap, and then I just continued to wear it. Like, why I did this to myself, I have absolutely no idea. But I just wanted to point out that this L'Oreal True Match Corrector really just like covered it up so well. I just wanted to point that out. This part of my forehead behind the scar was so much lighter than the rest of my face, and then my face is already darker than the rest of my body. Like, I just feel like that's just a common thing. I am like so sick I didn't get pictures of my look from Saturday. When I say it was so cute, I was like, oh, I have to record it. That is the reason why you guys are getting this video. And then also after this, I'm gonna be filming a unboxing video. I got my IPSY box. I'm going to be showing the masses what could potentially be in their IPSY box. I got it early, and I actually received my box on April 30th, but I just picked it up today. This time it's just gonna be an unboxing. If that's your thing, if you are an IPSY subscriber, you should definitely subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss that upload. Now, this was not a part of the look that I did on Saturday, but my bestie sent me a concealer that she got by Hourglass, and I was like, oh, send it over. Now, the color is called Birchnet. This concealer is way too light, but it's almost light enough to tap into my inner corner. I'm just gonna do that because I kind of want that bright UK girl look. You know, we're gonna see how this works out. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna let it sit for a second, and then I'm gonna blend it in. Oh, this is scary. Listen, I have never gone this bright. I'm gonna wait until the look is complete. Oh, I will say though, this Hourglass concealer, I'm gonna have to go cop my shade because I love the texture of it. Like, it's such a creamy, not too dry, not too wet, creamy, but still like very much giving coverage. Oh, I'm gonna have to go get this. Thank you, friend, if she's watching this. Okay. I need to stop being ghetto and get me a new foundation stick from Sephora, but by Anastasia, because if it started breaking me out, I'm gonna know why. I added a little more concealer for effect for my reel, so just ignore this part. Ooh, it's really bright. Oh man, I swear I spend so much time recovering on here. This doesn't happen to me when I'm doing my makeup by myself, I'm telling y'all. But then again, I'm usually using my go-tos. I know what works, but we're in the land of discovery. I feel like YouTube is such an area where, you know, we need to discover things and figure things out together. That's why we're here. Here's the thing. When I did my makeup on Saturday, I did it with intention of, I'm sorry, this is the Sephora collection. This is in the shade medium. It's their Micro Smooth multi-purpose powder, or
Bruh.
Child, what the hell am I saying? Child, I know it says multi-something online. Anyway, on Saturday, I literally, when I did my makeup, I did it with the intention of, I wanted people to know. Like, you know how you do your makeup and you're like, oh no, I want to leave the house beat. Like, I want people to be like, oh, her makeup is like, I know she got on a pound of makeup. Like, I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D translucent, whatever's left of this. I mean, most women can probably tell I have on makeup, but men don't know. You know what I mean? Men have, and if you're a guy and you're watching this right now, just click off. Anyway, men really don't know. Like, they tell like, oh my gosh, she's beautiful, but like the first thing in their mind isn't, oh, she has on makeup, with the way I do it. Like, and I like that reaction because, you know, it just makes them think like, oh, she's a pretty girl. And when they see me without makeup, it won't be like such a shocker. This time, Saturday, when I said I didn't care, I was wanting to give cake. Not cake, but just like that, like, my makeup is, I'm gonna do my brows and I'm gonna come back. So I'm being extra. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo foundation powder. I know I'm wearing foundation, but I told y'all, when I say I want it to be extra that day, extra was the name of the theme of the night for me. I'm just lightly pressing it, not really like applying it, but just using it as an all over powder because I really, really, really love the texture of this camo powder by e.l.f. I just think my finish just looks, it's thick enough but thin enough for me to use in this manner. So it's gonna be my new staple for sure. So now I'm just going to go into the cap of my Kat Von D powder, and I'm just going to swirl my brush in the cap, and I'm just going to go over my brows. This is just a way of me kind of setting my brows since I use a pomade. Now I'm just going to go in with the Juvia's Place Duo bronzing powder. I'm going to use a deeper tone here, and what I did on Saturday is I actually just put this all over my lid, and I started it in the corner as well, but I wore this all over my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade here, and I'm just gonna use that to fill in the corners a little more. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Sephora powder here. And what I did with this, I'm using this Juvia's Place, what kind of brush is this? 005 small buffer brush. So I'm gonna take that and then just tap it up here in on my brow bone. Like, when I say I was going for being extra that night, I was really trying to just send a message like, yes, my makeup is on. Yes, I want you to see it. Yes, I want you to ask me who did your makeup. Like, I was going for that kind of vibe, you know? Now I'm gonna go in with my Wander Beauty Skyliner, or I'm sorry, yeah, it's called Skyliner. Woo. And I'm gonna use that to line my lower lash line here. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush here. This is by Morphe M321 brush. And I'm gonna go back into this deeper tone here and just put that underneath, smudge out or smoke out my lower lash line. Boom, boom, bam. So now we're going to bronze. When I say bronze, I mean like bronze like you've never bronzed before. When I say I would bronze, because I figure it's dark, it's late, nobody's gonna really know how much bronzer I have on. So I really didn't care. I was like, you know what, girlfriend, have at it with the contour today. Have at it, like do it. And I felt like I had mug. You know what I mean? It was given very much. Who did her makeup? I was waiting for somebody to ask me, but nobody asked me. Of course, we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Bronze Tan Palette down the nose. And when I say I was so severe with it, I didn't care. Like I just, why can't I do my makeup like this on camera? And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film it. I got pictures and videos with my girlfriend. I may put them up here, just so y'all can see like the look. Yes, I was given very much nose surgery, okay? Now we're gonna go in with the Ofra blush. This is in the shade Rendezvous. One of my new faves. New girl on the block. She's not really new. New to you, not new to me. When I say I was blushed, blush, child, ooh. It's giving fade. Look at this side. Now look at this side. It was giving cheek bones, okay? In the middle of the night. All right, so the liner that I use is by Lens Beauty or Lens Cosmetics. The same pink from my last video, Flaunted. I'm gonna go in with another liner. This is a beauty supply store liner. It's in the shade Coffee. All right, you guys, here is the final look. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if this style of video works for you guys. The fact that you return all the time. I'm gonna have something for you in my next video, so stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to this channel, I would really love for you to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click that button right now. Go ahead and hit the like button, give me a big thumbs up. But until next time, bye.